God, it's hard to hold this steady. Sandbagging efforts near Poplar Point, Manitoba, in the Assiniboine River. Trying to sandbag one of the existing earthen dikes that's starting to fail. Canadian Armed Forces, I believe the Navy and both the Army. At least that's what they're saying on the TV. Sorry, just trying to move up and get a better shot. I got the camera zoomed way out. Can't really get any closer without getting in trouble. Yeah, there they are. They're putting down geotextile or filter cloth. Try and keep the soil from eroding out with the seepage. And sandbagging. Yeah, there's people right on the bottom there. Yeah. So soft there, you can't get in there with heavy equipment. All they can do is run bobcats and little tracked Maruka type trucks on top of the dike, and hopefully they don't get stuck. That's how soft it is there with all the seepage.